then the job of Randy Abe is not needed. Except Randy Abe must resign.
Ebushafo aha Ghana SMTVGH. Mesra will like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature, I'll probably be notified.
We want to talk about Randy Abe. Randy Abe. Koko for asem no. Yenjan kada. But at media, as I told you the other time, they say, I'm not sure say I will on any day come and be begging or be crying on behalf of Koko, because whatever is happening today, we saw it coming, we tried to prevent it, we beg cocoa farmers and say, please don't do this. Keep MPP in power. When you go out there, vote for MPP. Vote for Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia. Dr. Bawumia also, in his wisdom, came out with a policy direction for cocoa farmers and promised cocoa farmers and say, no cre, say mutu abanoma mea, all your children at our university, they will have access to free education at our university. Cocoa farmers and cocoa farming communities in Nano, we went there with this message. Please power tap and repost there live.
All of this has come about because of the reset that Cocoa Board did. And that is why, respectfully, we ask the president to relieve the Cocoa Board CEO of his responsibilities at this point in time. Number two, we are asking the government that in previous times when cocoa prices fell and the government absorbed the shock and protected the cocoa farmer, the NDC government should absorb the cost of what they have done and protect the cocoa farmer and restore at least the 3,625 that they promised. This 2,800 or so that they are promising is totally unacceptable. Already we are receiving messages from cocoa farmers who say that if this is what is going to happen, they are going to demonstrate in a number of these. And if they do, we in this caucus, we will join them on the streets to do this demonstration. We thank you for that.
We went there to sell this message to them. And they cannot tell us, say, they did not hear the message. Because Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia went across all constituencies. Then Nire Hajia Samira Bawumia also went to most of them. And a party Lancaster constituency campaign team the same rounds. And then there was mop-up. And see, our message was sold to cocoa farmers. They knew what was at stake. They knew what they stood to gain. Say, kind of saying, MPP, we need power. Omunim pa, omunim. But aden, omo, refuse say, omun to abano. Omu refuse omun to abano. Omo ya to the extent say, why didn't we tell them? We gave them a lot of warnings. We gave them a lot of signals. Everything was done to signal say, idea we MPP and what my best interest at heart. But these people still refuse. They refuse. And that shows how terrible and how badly the cocoa farmers treated MPP. Now you see, idea about why now John Mahama is excellency can say Ghanaians have short memory, no. So short memory asem no. Enya asem bi keke o. Debi. Enya asem bi keke. Onimpa say, yes, the Ghanaian can suffer for 3 years, okay? Then in the election year, you make him enjoy, you make her enjoy, and all of a sudden they forget about the 3 years of suffering. The same way, no, the Ghanaian can enjoy for 3 years, and then small discomfort in election year, they forget about all the enjoyment they've enjoyed in the 3 years. That is how Ghanaians have been treating politicians. And so it has become so difficult for politicians to be, how do you say, truthful to Ghanaians. Very, very difficult. Very, very difficult. You can virtually not rule this nation being fair, opening your books to the citizens. Say, this and that is the situation at hand. This is what this is where we are. This is the best course for action. We need to sacrifice at this juncture. We need to give 1 or 2 at this juncture. Okay? That is it. And one of the people who they don't have conscience, one of the people who don't like being open about stuff, NDC, and they are in power now. So you see how beautifully they are going about things. You see that they don't tell Ghanaians anything. All you hear about, every complaint you complain about, you hear that the price of dollar is down. Every single thing you say, you hear dollar is down. Say you say dollar is down. That is the kind of government NDC like running. They do one thing, and for all other sectors, all other problems, they keep referring you to that one thing now. The remaining sectors. No. That has been their trademark. And this is a trademark they have held onto over and over again. Under Rawlings, under Tamils, under John Mahama 1.0, and now John Mahama 2.0, that same thing, that same playbook is unraveling before our eyes. Now, me myself enumerate is simple. I have never ever heard 8 years of Akufo-Addo to Mahmoud Bawumia say an emergency cabinet meeting was called, and the reason for the emergency cabinet meeting is cocoa sector. They have taken cocoa sacks from farmers Omuntimitiaka, and the cabinet and the president, including the vice president, all go and meet and think say cocoa back saya kwakojiwo farmers no hono 8 years of Akufo. That thing has never happened. Even when the country was going through the toughest of times, the hardest of difficulties in Nano, no such thing ever occurred, ever transpired. And Ghanaians know this. And if cabinet has to be sitting to think about how they will look for money to pay cocoa farmers, then besides who say, then what happened the whole year? What was Randy Abe doing? What did Randy Abe do throughout the almost 10 months that were preparatory phases for cocoa season? What was he doing? Sir President John Mahama, any Emami Jenana Opokwajiman, and the ministers are cabinet, they have to sit down to think about where to get money for cocoa sector. Then the job of Randy Abe is not needed. Except Randy Abe must resign. Randy Abe should be on his way out of cocoa board by now. Esan said he has failed grossly, or you're very, very incompetent. On Nim Jumano, Randy Abe no, on Nim Jumano, or you're incompetent. And so much so. Now, Biantimi convincing me otherwise. Now, say what it be that? Say cabinet has to meet and think about how to pay cocoa farmers. Then why do we have a CEO of cocoa board? Why is there a CEO? Why do we have cocoa marketing company? Why do we have an MD there? What are we paying them for? So we are calling for the resignation of Randy Abe, because we cannot be paying him huge sums of money only for cabinet to be the one now that has to come together and think about how to pay cocoa farmers. It means he did not prepare for the cocoa season. Whatever he was doing, you and I were not there. I, for one, I get worried anytime I see Randy Abe jumping from radio station to another one, from one radio station to the other. Until you are welcome. Why do I get worried? Mbekaya. Last year, this one, I'm not being mischievous. It's for that is my thought, by the way. Last year, August Mono. That's when announcement no by say cocoa pricing. They were only going to add 100 cities to cocoa pricing. Mbekaya early August last year. Then we all started making noise about it. Say Abaya Dada and Crawford. And Randy Abe started in the media tour trying to explain where there was even no explanation in Nano. Not price or bear explaining. What happened? Ohuana sit August Kosie, the unfortunate event of the helicopter crashing. And then the whole nation had to turn away from cocoa pricing to the air disaster. So because of that, me feeling uncomfortable anytime there is a, I see Randy Abbey doing mediator. So when I saw him starting this one also, I said, Charlie, I beg you go and see somewhere. But on a more serious note, I don't think he qualifies to head Cocoa Board. I don't think so. And I think that position must be given to somebody who has an expertise or field name. And yeah, football manager like Randy Abbey. The right time I told you, the mere fact said Randy Abbey is still occupying his position at GFA. Actually, he will not have enough time to think through policies that will move Cocoa Board forward. And so what we were expecting is once any appointment by he would have done the honorable thing by resigning from GFA so that he can concentrate. But enam greedy, he will want to be chopping from two sides. You call USA, you call your football meeting now. Then you ask yourself, whilst you are there, what about the farmers? Auntie Ellen Akwaba, I'm
Electoral Commission. Near who be a 3 parties and some independent candidates.
2 independent candidates.
Yeah, the who be a better. Now, the question a woman is social candidates are about Bontia. Ghana and Pempebri, Ayana, Yama Sikasem, Edada. And nonti enema yada so gina ba bi ejire wo hwe nema NDC omo majority caucus ede betu dwa se owura baba jama enam kwati kwan so onam sebu akwan so onam kwan bone so ede kodi ayawa so NDC enima na eye nwonwa se
Kwambone ben onam so a
one majority caucus ne se kwambone onam so ne se o che niema bia eno na induce electorate
and delegates
delegates ne ma omode ekofa ne so medi NDC ayawa so east no enim na se o hwe sa niema ya parliamentary caucus o mo ya majority o mo leader enso na di asem na nim de beto abonten na hwe se ne party so ehia ya o mo hu se ya into I know ya parliament for asem na ngu na se amfa baba jama na ya bone ko adu se oye nipa bone ni a wonam sebu akwan so abedi party na nim wo honom na ya nto sa asem na ngu a anytime I wo mu no ahwe na NDC enya candidate ewo honom nti omuntimi contest election ni binti yamma ni popone ni ya India ni mu no megina party na nim eno ne anomonto omutu ya enunti baba jama da so ye candidate na before say ye be call ye nim kakra no baba jama ye hwe ni suban time ano ye MP before atitrasem kitikiti katakata sem a gina so ma sabi ba bia na oye MP wo no omo fa so ede to abati a ne pamo no free parliament sanyama we nyina ka ho bi a na subaya no daddy ewo ne former constituency NDC for anetimi ye former nya former parliamentary candidate of another constituency eba be ye for a parliamentary candidate the niema o ye ya enye entina
ka send this for your correct and no correct
yo obi atimi ye bi to ma men kama asa obi atimi ye bi but papa we suban a ma ye de pamo no sa suban ya no be dan na di ewo
e dey na baba
constituency
why dey
vote buying a criminal offense ewo Ghana hasi
One more report.
I am crying no buckets here. I will Ghana say. Report now, report. But beside Mahama Yariga. And maybe some is assembly. As I said, Mahama Ayariga, I am parliament patrol. Many person America. Over this year, Duma, I never time will so. For yet and all time. And as some American say, Baba Jama, Mr. Mahama Yariga, I what's wrong? Statements on the Barabon. What the Baba Jama, one crowd or body. I change him microphones, and the other day and this enemy on the Batuja. It is only a being Kaya. Copies of Mahama Yariga. The majority caucus leader of parliament. Also, Opa said, oh, Mamma, Kasa, Assembly America.
A friend and majority leader. The statement, no can woman say, your friends, Mama Yariga, sorry, Baba Jama Bokro, okay.
Vote buying. Okay, Anawanka.
What's the Bokro?
Mebo, vote buying. Some Metro Chrono say.
What's the Bokro?
Metro Chrono say, so Mamma Kasa because Mekako Tio Bikruma, Metium. As some American say, vote buying a chronobo and I know chronobo. Vote buying, what be some? Mesumi Bissau said, vote buying, a crombo and I know chronobo. Vote buying, vote buying, I a chronobo and I say no chronobo when it comes to Ghana election.
When you was
I'm many agree because we go election. What go for Bia? Why will say?
Why?
Or a vote buyer, which is a criminal offense in Ghana. I don't want to find it in a so on some election him with another set of vote buying a year because I deal with crying. I'm saying we ain't crying, we are not handling the matter well. Baba Jamal has to go to court. I was here soon, no. Now, send ya kana. Nanka, your war. Koya, you bet me a fast track it. Now, same way. Aka, he still cannot be the candidate because he had a testimony on and he had a court. Send the party for be amaya evidence, and the evidence is out there. Omukwaji TV, ya no money appear, but almost say Baba Jamal and the share inside no chamaye. Omukwaji moto ya no money appear, no maka. Omukwaji sky no money appear, and it was all over. Internet say, I just have to speak to some lawyers. Now, Baba Jama, NDC Foreigners, Ajina Tuma, Ghana for the was here, Yetimi Sanction, not to contest this election because vote buying is a crime.
Majority for Uncle Baby, I said, Baba Jama, I could vote by. It's the Okano and Yellow Cream.
Yo, media me who said on Chay TV. Or the induce
who said Baba Jama.
Or more TV ni pia wanti or mobile ni Baba Jama. Into haven't you seen them on tape too?
I to one and way. Na Sisi Obika said Jerry Kwakwa teacher no maybe Obi na account. Maybe you say why. Or catch them and Majedi.
Baba Jama.
Okay, no Majedi.
Remember, Jerry.
Yes.
Let's call a spade a spade.
A spade, a spade in here.
Omwankasa say. Well, no, and those people are alive, and they are testimony of Adriana Wakano and Adriana Wachefri and so not Chefri Fiemu, not Chefri Shop, not Chefri Obiaja Padiemu. Many because you want to bomb this up in a meche. It is any on one Crawford about Bonte about Casse, Nisuba or Daddy, Intina almost Sano. Our moon says almost say no munya candidate. Ain't no more than never cosano. You'll say I shall the cosa. No. What is wrong is wrong. So what you'll be? So I call you a banshee. I was here to be so I call you a vote. Because I
special prosecutor invited.
I was saying, yeah, pet. Evidence ni bi na ye nyina ye kokoti ye special process I will say I could see you directly, and today I will make sure say candidates ni bi I will speak with them. No one come home say this particular person now or be kind election or issue until I was a court if no money sifem Sir, I make us say I'm just going to speak to some lawyers and then know what to do as early as possible because on no any team nibi and the back can say why and it did not come from any gutter quarters from parliament. It was not as Mahama Yariga, I a shallow minded person and I will be another Kasakake.
Oh, sir.
Sana,
My correct too, sir.
correct all. Maybe I remember yourself. I was how the statement in America. Correct all.
Me program.
As I'm American, I am entitled for my own opinion. Into no back at them, my opinion, and so men can't have open there. What can I say? I'm a free banner. The whole person make any into men can.
Sadly, we are we. That is a Ujai. What can say? What about my Yarigadi? I did a crown and your mamma Yarga at the buy.
Now I know the buy.
A year 16 regional caucuses and I'm a chairman. And then sign it here. In your mamma Yarga in the first place.
Remember.
Number 2. Statement number the buyer. One man more
majority caucus no infra statement in mind. And the majority caucus no one other man no. They say we are majority. Our that man